Good morning, friends, students. This video lecture improve or emphasize knowledge on how to optimize our antenna parameters. Generally, the antenna parameters like gain, directivity, bandwidth, length, width. There are various parameters we have to optimize by using in our syllabus. So for example, in our syllabus, we have circular monopole antenna. So as we familiar how to construct circular monopole antenna. So with circular monopole antenna, so the parameters are quietly improved by EBG, electron band gap structure placement. After incorporating electronic band gap structure, we found very fruitful results while improvement in parameters of antenna. Later, we focus on optimization. How to optimize our antenna prototype by using some algorithms. There are various trending algorithms available in antenna domain. Out of them, initial algorithm for learners, beginners, that is genetical algorithm. It is older one, but convenient those who wants to optimize the antenna within defined frequency range of operation, defined gain, prescribed bandwidth. So all these parameters are optimized initially by using this genetical algorithm. So let us start how to reach this genetic algorithm by making the initial concentration. So this is the flowchart. What is the main families available in this evolutionary algorithms? The meaning for evolutionary equal to there are various algorithms which are being implemented in our topic. So evolutionary algorithms classified into genetical algorithm, evolution programming, evolution strategies, differential evolution, swarm family intelligence evolution, practical swarm optimization, ABC intelligence optimization, ant colony optimization. So out of this, we are now in a state to know the genetic algorithm. Before incorporating in our minds about genetic algorithm, we concentrate on the way how to analyze this search techniques. There are various numerical techniques now available like direct method, indirect method, guiding random search technique, enumerating techniques. Out of this, so genetical algorithm is random population based set technique, where the evolutionary parameters are beyond the knowledge. The evolutionary parameters are wide range of applications. The evolutionary parameters are very accuracy. So genetical algorithm optimization, the definition, as per the definition of this genetical algorithm. So the genetical algorithm is a population based stochastic search technique. What is the population? So the population equal to the number of availability parents. Those are now called chromosomes. So the population based stochastic technique that will help to compute the process of selection found in the nature, where the optimum solutions are largely independent of initial conditions and near the global optimum technique. So this genetic algorithm search the possibilities in and around population based technique. It can gather the searching operations. It can collect the searching operations within the cloud, where the best optimum solutions are available. That optimum solutions are very independent on previous initial condition. This type of evolutionary algorithms are implemented to solve multi-objective So to solve the multi-objective, so that is the multi-objective is very important word. Multi-objective equal to the category of various antenna parameters which found in previous lecture, like radiation pattern, gain, directivity. This optimization problems have the main advantage, in fact, that is used to typical the optimization that equal to this optimization sets is also be important, where the solutions are enabling the computation approximation. So with this computation approximation, we are able to obtain a set of optimum solutions called chromosomes. These chromosomes are independently availability on optimum solutions. These optimum solutions are making their mating functions, crossover functions. Therefore, this mating and crossover functions are helpful to identify the later extent. So what is this main objective of this type of optimization in our antennas? So to create powerful electromagnetical devices. Those magnetical devices are helpful in terms of performance, in terms of serviceability, in terms of cost effective. Second one, to minimize the production cost, manufacturing antennas to maximize the efficiency also. Clear? To involve the selection, next one, to involve appropriate objective functions where the design variabilities, parameters, constraints all are be undertaken. Later, to make a system which is more effective, especially involving the mathematical problematical situations where you are able to catch this idea to provide high quality of users. So in our antenna optimization, quality of service is productive based criteria to satisfy the high qualified parameters. So this type of genetical algorithms able to basically the genetical algorithm is a search technique. This search technique compute the operation called optimization. This search technique will emphasize on global search technique. This global search techniques emphasize on evolutionary algorithms. So this what is the typical stages in this genetical algorithm? So the typical stages are solution based domain, fitness based domain. So this genetical algorithms initially catches solution type, solution domain, and fitness function where to evaluate the parameters which are able to optimize. So this is the slide indicating why we are focusing on genetic algorithm. So as we know that genetic algorithm works with coding of parametrical set, whereas in another traditional methods, no parameters used themselves. So the data search platform very point based mechanism where traditional methods are used only single point tracing method. Genetic algorithm uses fitness function, objective function, where the other trending traditional methods use a derivative based auxiliary knowledge. Fourth one, it uses a transition rules, where another normal conventional methods use a deterministic rules. So this is the flowchart how you can optimize our antenna. To start thinking, what are the pre-bounded parameters required for our operation? Think one. From that idea, you are be able to create a random population, that random population of organisms. From those random population, evaluate fitness function for each the type of organism. So this fitness function is able to evaluate a very good commanding parameter of knowledge on how you are able to create its own fitness idea. After that one, create the optimum solution. If this optimum solution is suit for our knowledge, leave that one, there ends the optimum solution idea. If optimum solution not fit for our design, so one more reproduce those organisms, that why killing those organism of past behavior by doing crossover, by doing mutate function. Again, it is a recursive operation. The random generated initial population, evaluate individuals. So that genetical algorithm will able to create its own selective based type production, crossover, muting, binary results which will form in correlative phenomena. So randomly, this generating initial population will able to meet your cross technique. That cross technique is able to catch your selective production. There are the fundamental knowledge. You are able to catch the mutation. Finally, you are be able to idea where your muting knowledge is able to find. Create random population where the mutation function already explained your crossover mutation. Individual analysis may take function which is be availability in nature. This flowchart will explain how your genetical algorithm is being good knowledge of sound by selection, crossover, muting, all parameters. This flowchart emphasizes where your knowledge on selection based criteria. Initial parameters, those parameters are called here a genetical parameters. Those genetical parameters explained here with this genetical population. So initial operation take place crossover, muting, temporal, evaluating of this type of fitness. So this type of fitness involvement required to creating your flowchart of this type of explanation. So this is the genetical optimization where out of these genetical pools are be implemented rather than the optometrical analysis to be carried out. You can perform crossover, you can perform mating by doing this type of genetical algorithm. So these are the number of definition stages in antenna optimization. Initial population, crossover, muting, chromosome identification, next generation task. The selection operator is a process of selecting two or more parents for a population or crossing function. The purpose of this selection operator to emphasize the individuals in the population and to hope their offsprings with high fitness value. There are various selection operators: Rodwell selection, Bothman selection, Tournament selection, rank selection. But Rodwell selection depends on the percentage of contribution, the total population fitness string that mating your Rodwell selection in idea. Initially, you are able to select the population, for example, 100, 200, 300. After crossover, the individuals are chosen by mating the selection recombination, making their individuals. You perform muting function by means of random changes of genes and guarantees number of individuals. Those muting functions are be in the genetical order to evaluate chrome. So these chromosomes are binary coding functions proposed in our muting by making the next generation. So to understand the genetical algorithms in very simple, consider a problem that function f of x equal to x square, that x permits the value 0 to 31. So step 1, randomly select the chromosomes between 0 to 31. The string number 1 I selected 13, string number 2 24, string number 3 8, string number 4 19. So this third column represents unsigned integer where x values 13, 24, 8, 19. Now next our task, evaluate fitness. How to evaluate fitness? That f of x equal to x square, 13 square, 169, 24, 576, 8, 64, 9, 361. Simple, add all this fitness, sum 1170. 1170 divided by 4, you are able to catch 0.59, 1.97, 0.22, 0.22, 1.23. This process is called selection of mating. So from this slide, we are estimating total number of fitness 1170, and it is very high value 2 for 1.797. Next step, perform crossover. For example, randomly select the crossover at this fourth bit. 1000101 our output, 1011101 is secondary output. So previous column make crossover, your next column convert this into binary 12, 11001 binary decimal 25, binary 11011 decimal 27, 10000 binary decimal 16. Evaluate fitness function for 12 144, for 25 625, for 27 729, for 16 256. Their sum equal to 1754. This applies muting function. This is already crossover function. Perform muting randomly. So for 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. For 1 1 0 0 1 same 1 1 0 0 1. For 1 1 0 1 1 muting 1 1 0 1 1. For third bit 1 0 0 0 0, you perform 1 0 1 0 0. Simple, represent in decimal 26, 25, 27, 18. Their fitness squaring addition 2354. Therefore, this antenna optimization will provide better 2354 after doing muting function. So these are the various advantages like this. Antenna optimization. that is simple construction. By doing antenna optimization, our parameters are be able to optimize in very simple construction, where other optimizations require feed networks, but our optimization doesn't require any feeding network. This type of optimization requires small space. This type of optimization with continuous or discrete parameters. This type of optimization requires very derivative information. So this optimization requires very wide sampling space, selection of parents from whole population based. You are able to select 2 parents among total population, perform crossover to the 2 parents which are able to give best optimum fitness value. This optimization requires large number of variables. It also suits for parallel computers. This antenna optimization well tested on complex cost surfaces, not list of optimum parameters. This type of optimum doesn't code encoding parameter easy. This type of antenna optimization require generated data, experimental data, and analytical functions. So by doing this type of antenna optimization, upcoming parameters like gain, bandwidth, directivity, size of antenna, and all are being prior bound, which are able to provide best knowledge on antenna optimization. So this genetical algorithms involves very crucial thing. Therefore, that optimization values require very complex analysis for our upcoming designing antennas. Thank you for watching this antenna optimization. Thankful to all who gave me good hits and views.